guys, I just recorded the whole video and none of it actually recorded. I want to... Anyway, welcome to my home screen. So it looks very cute. I was going for Malibu, beachy, summer, Y2K, Tamagotchi. Yeah, that's what I was going for. It's a very like nostalgic summery vibe. I found all the pictures, by the way, from Pinterest. I'm gonna like share my Pinterest folder in the description below in case you want to know the exact ones I was using and stuff like that. And then I used two apps for the widgets. One of them was Photo Widget and then the other one was 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐜. I saw most people on Pinterest use 𝐒𝐤𝐜. Yeah, I downloaded Photo Widget first because the name was Photo Widget and I searched a Photo Widget, so amazing marketing for them because it was the first thing that came up. Top photo widget is this PSP, and I used to be obsessed with playing the PSP growing up. I think it's PSP, yeah it is. I used to be so obsessed with playing the PSP growing up, which is why when I saw this I thought it was so cute. Yeah, it has a white background, which means it matches with my wallpaper in the background and it looks like it's not actually a widget. Then for the icons, we have my most used apps probably. Camera, photos, Pinterest, YouTube, weather, clock, Instagram, TikTok. TikTok is at the bottom corner because look at where my finger is, and when I hold my phone it immediately clicks TikTok, and the picture is of a little kitty cat. It's sort of a reminder that I should go to sleep instead of going on TikTok because those dark circles are not gonna fix themselves. Oh, it's subliminal messaging in a picture. Go to sleep, girl, catch some sleep please. Instagram, I found this cute little pudding looking Tamagotchi and I thought it's the cutest thing ever. And clock is another pudding. Can you tell I'm obsessed with pudding? Pudding looks round and it reminds me of a clock, and that's how I associated it, and that's how I justified using that picture. Listen to my clock alarms. There's this app to make the ringtones, and then you need to use GarageBand as well. Downloaded them from TikTok, by the way, the sounds. Love by 𝐒𝐴𝐜𝐿, 𝐒𝐵𝐶 kiss intro. Hachi Before the Fall, which is a happy melody from Nana, and before Hachi suffered everything that she suffered. And Goofy Nana. So Goofy Nana is this. Hachi Before the Fall. Hey, 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 hey. And 𝐒𝐵𝐶 kiss. Oh, Wave to Earth. Who doesn't love Wave to Earth? Who doesn't love love? And my current one that I'm using is Hachi Before the Fall is my morning alarm right now, and then when my phone rings is the Wave to Earth song, because my alarm before was Lyrics from Stray Kids going wakey wakey, and I loved that alarm because actually it was the least disturbing alarm that I've ever had in my life. It woke me up very well. I recommend using it, but I thought it's time for a fresh start. Weather, it's so cute. YouTube is this little PNG Y2K computer. I miss old computers. I miss when everything had style and flavor. Remember the old MacBooks? I never had one of them, but they look so cool. They had them in like orange and then blue and pink, and you could carry them like a case. Iconic. Bring those back. And Pinterest is my most used app ever, I think. If I'm having a social media break and I'm not using any social media, Pinterest is the one to stay. It's the one that always stays. And photos and camera. Hello, what's up? Then we're gonna go to the next page, and you have this cute little 𝐒𝐤𝐜 widget, and you can put whatever picture you want inside of it. Listen to this. Our mom says it's so cute. I just randomly like to press it throughout the day and annoy whoever's sitting next to me. Other apps that I use are calendar, maps, notes. That one is actually Twitter / X, but I don't like that it's called X and I don't want to call it Twitter, so I just call it that one. I recently downloaded it because I had it years ago and then I deleted it, but now I only use it to look at like aesthetic pictures. But yeah, I decided to make a new account and start using it. In case you want to follow me, this is my new account. Health, because we want to be healthy. I love to check my step count. Revolut is what I used in order to pay in Japan, Korea, or whatever I went. And then Cam is actually the app Snow. So this is the app that a lot of idols... That was an ugly picture, let's not look at that. But that is the app that a lot of idols like to use for their pictures. And I like how it cleans your face, but you can make sure it doesn't change like your actual features on your face and it stays the same. Then settings, and then another little 𝐒𝐤𝐜 widget. That's so cute, and you can choose the pictures that go inside of it. I took this picture with a film camera, 𝐒𝐤𝐜 Cafe in Kyoto. On the third page, we have another 𝐒𝐤𝐜 widget. Me in front of a vending machine in Japan as well. Can you tell? I want to go back to Japan. Can you tell? I had a lovely time there. And it matched the flower, and I'm eating a strawberry daifuku. It's basically like a mochi with red bean inside and then the strawberry, and mwah, delish, absolutely delish. Amazing for any fellow big backers. And I have messages, Viber, WhatsApp. WhatsApp I use for work, Viber I use to talk to my family in Bulgaria. Then FaceTime, Facebook, I don't use Facebook. And this cute little Tamagotchi is this app called Laps. With this app, you basically take random pictures. 1 hour later, they develop. Close friends on the app can see it, and they all look like vintage pictures. Not a social media where you post, but it's somewhere where like your friends can stalk you. Photo widget is the H2O girlies, and I'm very nostalgic about my childhood era. I forced all of my friends to play mermaids in the pool every summer. By the way, the apps at the very bottom are my phone. The second one is Safari, and then the third one is Gmail, and then the fourth one is Spotify. This is the last song that I was listening to on Spotify, Automatic. I recommend, such a vibey song. This is probably my most used playlist. It's called DM. I don't know why I ended up calling it that, but it's probably like rap, R&B. Yeah, I love it. I love it here. I cannot live without music, ever. The last page, I have this photo widget of me and my sister that changes every 5 minutes, I think, and I'll show you the other pictures. So these are the different pictures that this widget changes to, and these are all of me, my sister, and my mom. I just thought they're very cute and funny, especially this one. This one is very iconic. I had a WWE era when I was little. I basically grew up playing with my cousin all the time. I was very much a tomboy, dressed in a very feminine, girly way. I thought it was gonna be really fun to recreate a WWE match and torture my 7 years older sister. Here we are friends. Here we ain't. Here we're beefing. Here we're all slaying, me, my mom, and my sister. And here I thought I was so different and cool. So I pulled away from my mother and my sister to be an independent young woman at the age of 6 years old. Right, this is my last page, and the only game I have is Pokemon. The card game Pokemon that I'm obsessed with. It's so good. I love it. Basically, I never had enough storage on any of my iPhones. I would always buy the lowest storage because it's the only one I could afford. So I only have one game, but this time I upgraded to 256 gigabytes. Hey Tea is a new tea shop that opened up. It's really good, and I downloaded that app so I can order them quickly and not wait in any lines. I have another Instagram with 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐜 because this was the original icon, and then I liked the Tamagotchi pudding instead. Oh, I did that. He's back there judging me. And then 𝐿1 and 𝐿2 are just basically apps that I thought I don't want to ruin the flow of how my page looks. So the first one is literally just apps that Apple has. And then the second one is just random shops. CapCut, which I used to edit all of my dance videos for like keyframing. ASOS, Railcard. ScotRail for me to check how late all of my trains are going to be every single day. 𝐿1. I actually tend to use like normal clear contact lenses from Specsavers. They low-key, my 𝐿1 contacts feel much better on my eyes than my normal Specsavers ones. Specsavers, you have some explaining to do. Beauty Plus, I haven't used it yet, but I just found out about it. It's basically a bunch of vintage cameras. You can pick this kind, you can pick this. Canva is what I use to edit thumbnails. Netflix, I watch movies every single day. It's just like my rule. It's my way of living. I love TV, I love movies, I love just disassociating with my reality and watching somebody else's reality. Style, Disney Plus, again for the same reason. I'm currently rewatching Modern Family and Scream Queens. Modern Family is constantly on replay. That's how I go to sleep at night. I just let it play in the background until I'm... And Lively is what I use to track my cycle. Ooh. This is actually all I got. This is all I got so far, but I just wanted to show you how cute it all is. If I could pick my favorite icon, I just love the tan Pinterest Hello Kitty. So cute. And all my little Tamagotchis. show you the phone case that arrived. So I got this clear phone case from Shein, and then I added this 𝐒𝐨𝐜𝐢𝐚 sticker. This was literally me. Literally me. That's actually him. Literally you. So my main camera died. I'm gonna record the outro on my new iPhone. As I was saying, what was I even saying? I don't know. But yeah, I love it so much. I haven't played around with the settings on the camera, so probably need some changing or improvement. I don't know. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye. Peace out. Blech. I'm dying. I am literally dying.